LLC in California. Hello viewers, in today's video you are going to learn how to dissolve an LLC in California. So let's get started. Settle any outstanding debts and divide remaining assets based on your LLC's operating agreement first. Then submit the required documents to the California Secretary of State. If all members agree to dissolve, file a certificate of cancellation called Form LLC 4x7. If member agreement is not unanimous, file both the certificate of dissolution Form LLC 3 and the certificate of cancellation Form LLC 4x7. Send the forms online through bizfile, online or by mail. Inform any creditors that the LLC is closing. Complete and submit the final tax return to the Franchise Tax Board. If your LLC is inactive and has no assets, you may be eligible for FTB voluntary administrative dissolution. Cancel any business licenses, permits, or out-of-state registration your LLC holds. And that's how you will be able to dissolve an LLC in California.